I'm talking of summer of 2007.
Yeah.
Finance industry was at its peak. There were transactions which were being refused, just team didn't have capacity.
Yeah.
And the reason I loved Goldman, and I want to say that, emphasize it, because day one, the two partners in Paris, they were amazing. They literally said, look, if you finish the work at 7, you go home at 7. We don't want anybody doing FaceTiming. And they literally meant it.
Yeah.
They literally meant it. And at some point, they will come to your desk and say, okay, what are you working on? Look, this thing can wait until next day. You can leave. There was scenarios.
But that didn't happen. I mean, it was 3 months. You guys are so busy. It didn't.
Once or twice it happened, but yeah, it's like you can.
But you're like, actually, there's this 5 other deals I haven't started.
Exactly. Absolutely. You will give the excuse. They'll say, oh, this is whatever. But where it impressed me was, I remember this major transaction working there, and there was this partner, and the whole team had been doing like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. every day. But this partner saw that team has been struggling and there was something needed to be done. So we worked with the partner until 4 a.m. and he did the model. He literally did an amazing model just by himself until 4 a.m. And he sent it to the team and said, look, I did it. Hope it helps.